Hey y'all, it's Shay and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can already tell by today's title, today we're doing a prep with me for New York City. I'm actually in New York City right now, so I can't wait for you guys to see the vlog. Make sure you stay tuned for all of that. The Aruba series was definitely a success. I'm so glad you guys loved them. Like, the videos were bomb. Like, make sure you check out all 4. I put my foot in them, okay? But yeah, y'all, I can't wait for you guys to see this prep with me, the travel with me to New York City in the next video. I just can't wait for y'all to see like all the videos that I have coming for the summer. Love y'all. So sorry I didn't film an intro. I don't be remembering y'all. And yeah, enjoy and love y'all.
You ain't even gotta tell him, don't tell him, don't tell him. You ain't even, don't tell him, don't tell him. You ain't even gotta tell him, don't tell him, don't tell him. Know you say you're down with it. Won't tell him how you hit the ground with it. Girl, you know I'm from Chicago. I act a fool, Bobby Brown with it. In it, nobody take me out though. You got gifts, bring them down to South Pole. You know you feeling like for a press play. Don't you worry about it, I can work it out. Only it's you got me feeling like this. Oh, why? Love it while grabbing the rhythm, your hips. That's right. Rhythm is a dancer. I need a companion. Girl, I guess that must be you. Body like the summer, touch it like no other. Don't you tell them what we do. Don't tell them, don't tell them. You ain't, don't tell them, don't tell them. You ain't even gotta tell them, don't tell them, don't tell them. You ain't even, don't tell them, don't tell them. You ain't even gotta tell them, don't tell them, don't tell them. Girl, they fool with it, but you know I know what to do with it. I give you that, girl, I'm talking laps. As if you got a fool in it. As if she ain't with your best friend. Then let me be a diamond. You know you feeling like for a press play. Just keep the rewinding. Only it's you got me feeling like this. Oh, why? Love it while grabbing the rhythm, your hips. That's right. Rhythm is a dancer. I need a companion. Girl, I guess that must be you. Body like the summer, touch it like no other. Don't you tell them what we do. Don't tell them, don't tell them. You ain't, don't tell them, don't tell them. You ain't even gotta tell them, don't tell them, don't tell them. You ain't even, don't tell them, don't tell them. You ain't even gotta tell them, don't tell them, don't tell them. Girl, they fool with it, but you know I know what to do with it. I give you that, girl, I'm talking laps. As if you got a fool in it. As if she ain't with your best friends. Then let me be a diamond. You know you feeling like for a press play. Just keep the rewinding. Only it's you got me feeling like this. Oh, why? Love it while grabbing the rhythm, your hips. That's right. Rhythm is a dancer. I need a companion. Girl, I guess that must be you. Body like the
Hey guys, good
summer,
morning. So today is hair day. I'm so excited. I really don't know what today is. I feel like this prep for this New York trip is like kind of all over the place. Well, not all over the place, but they're really like spaced out as far as like what I'm doing compared to my last prep with me, which was for like Aruba, like my maintenance vlog or whatever. And I had like everything like back to back. But for this one, for some reason, like I don't have everything like back to back. I just have everything kind of spaced out. But I got my lashes done 2 days ago. Don't need my brows done. They still look good from last time. I just got like a fill in my lashes and just getting my hair done and just probably like run a couple errands. So today I want to go get my hair washed because I took my hair out yesterday from the braids that I had it in. So I want to go get them washed and blow dried today. And then I also want to purchase the hair to get my hair done because I want to get some locks. You know, some different. You see what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get some locks for today. We're gonna do a little something cute or whatever. So you haven't been talking too much in this vlog. I really need to because I need to take advantage of my new SD card. I bought a 512 gigabytes SD card, y'all. I really was gonna buy the 1 TB, I think, which is like 1,000 gigabytes, but I ended up not doing so. So I'm just gonna go with this 512 gigabytes for now, and then before I go off to school, I'm gonna get the other one because I'm gonna need it. because we're trying to get this content all day, every day, okay? I literally finished editing my Aruba vlog not too long ago, so if you haven't tuned into that, make sure you go watch that because you don't want to miss out. But y'all, the hair growth, it's real, okay? I'm at my best friend's house right now. I'm about to go get my hair washed and all that stuff, so I'll see you guys there.
On my knee, all this big gifts, hop off a chick, barely get rest. Catch to no more, I get a check. You selling run on my pants and my chest. Shit not a dress, eat up a mess. I eat up flesh, you know the rest. Count up $100, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed. Who's on me 10? In the club, boy, like I hoop with these jets. This is on me, got my Gucci shirt wet. Him in my bag, gon' get used to the rest. With this school where they teach you for this. I heard this shoes with a drip, I invest. I'm the boss, man, I keep catching the dance. All the cool fast when they in with it. Now that I'm home, back up the road, we shut it down, where they sold. Checks on the streets, lean them a fold, sand on my feet, put it on toes, take it with me, double your dose, cover with angels that's watching my soul. Check out a bed, this bigger window, I beat the intent, but I got the info. I feel like I'm frozen, I'm covered in gold. On my knee, all this big X, hop off a chick, barely get rest. Catch through the moon, I get a check. You selling run on my pants and my chest. Shit not a dress, eat up a mess. I eat up flesh, you know the rest. Count up $100, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed. You told me text, really good boy like I Uber the jet. Yes, it's on me, got my Louis shirt wet. Said him in my bag and get used to these racks. With this school where they teach you for this. I heard this shoes with a drip, I invest. I'm the boss, man, I keep catching the dance. Know the cool fast when they in with it. The flame on the island, me and couch gonna hop on a Learjet. Got bottles every color, I got CCs you ain't seen yet. So I picked the cup and now I'm asking where to go do that. But it runs in up, and I'm taking tripping my whole team, man.
Mr. Genius Idiot.
Hey you guys, so I just left the hair salon. I went to the Dominican hair salon. Y'all know them Dominicans, they gonna get us right every time. I'm trying to find a good angle to put y'all because I just don't be going good with the angles. I just put my hair like in a back pony. I don't know if y'all can see it because my pony's so damn small, y'all. She like did my hair really good. She did like wash, blow dry, and just treatment because I told y'all I'm getting some locks today, so you know, just gotta have like, you know, blow dry. I really didn't feel like freaking like washing my hair myself, which is the reason why I had someone do it, because I'm sorry, like I was not in the mood to do that. I just be lazy sometimes, y'all. Like I be tired. I just be wanting to sit in the chair for once. I feel like people like hairstylists, like, you know, like people who do hair, you want to sit in the chair for once, like, which is why I'm having my best friend do my hair and stuff, because it just feels good. So what I'm about to do now, I'm about to head to the gym because I haven't gone to the gym yet. I don't know what time it is right now. It's probably 10 something. It's 11:03 actually. So I need to go to the gym, work out, get that good work in, honey, and then I think that's about it, y'all. That's it. I'm super excited to be getting my locks today because I've been wanting to get these locks. I was really supposed to lock my hair originally because I've been talking about this for the longest. If you know, you know. I've been wanting to lock my hair like for the longest, but I never got a chance to do so because every time it's either like the lady was booked, I was busy, all kinds of jazz. And I also have a photo shoot on Saturday and on Sunday. I have 2 shoots this weekend, so I gotta make sure I look good. The Saturday shoot is a pool type of shoot for a company that I'm working with, and then on Sunday I have a shoot for my friend Jelly for nails, for her brand and stuff like that. So I'm super excited to be doing both shoots. I'm supposed to be going to get a henna. I don't know how that's gonna look like because the henna ladies that I know, they're super far and I don't want to drive that far. So I'm trying to see what am I gonna do. if I'm still gonna get this henna or whatnot. I'm probably gonna have to get some press-ons also for the shoot, because Jelly wants to do my nails next week after her nail shoot, because her nail shoot I'm also gonna be getting press-ons. They're gonna be super long, and I told her I can't get those like in real deal nails because I will not function. So she's gonna make me some personal press-ons for her shoot, while I'm also gonna have some press-ons as well for the shoot on Saturday, because I can't get my nails done. Because if I get my nails done, I won't be able to put on her press-ons. So, you know, that's the deal. My nails are coming off from like that old set I had. I never really took them off for real. I just always been super lazy. I don't know, y'all. It's just like, I really need to take them off for real. I don't want to be with no one to talk about, y'all, because I really want to like do some more chit chats in my vlogs. I just don't like the fact that like for me, when I watch YouTubers, I can't stand when they sit there and talk their life away. Like, I just don't like that. You know, so I try not to do that as much in my vlogs, but I've also been enjoying a couple YouTubers that will sit there and like talk like Asleya. I don't know how to say her name, but I know she lives out here in Miami now, and I love her vlogs. She talks a lot, like, which I like. It's not a bad thing, because with her it makes sense. Like, it like, I don't know, like, it's people that would sit there and talk and you just get so bored, and I don't want to be that person, you know. So I make sure to like incorporate montage and talk a little bit here and there, but I'm kind of considering talking a bit more, because I feel like when YouTubers talk, you really get to know them for real, like you get to get a feel of their personality, and I don't want you guys to just be watching my videos and not really know who I am for real. You see what I'm saying? So I just don't want that to be the case. So I really want to incorporate more talking. If it does get too excessive, please don't be afraid to like spam the comments and be like, you know what, Shay, you're talking too much, okay? Don't be afraid to let me know, because I really want to make my content like as fitting and as like enjoyable for you guys. Honestly, it's not even for me, it's for you guys. Like, I love making content for you guys and doing what you guys like. So like I said, don't be afraid. Like, let me know if I'm doing something wrong. Like, if y'all not feeling it and I'm trying something new, be like, sweetie, let's change it up. You know, I won't take offense. I'm someone who takes I'm someone who takes constructive criticism very well. I mean, I'm an athlete, and listen, if you know, you know, okay? Us athletes, we get told, hey, you doing this wrong by our coaches. So best believe, like, I won't take offense. If anything, I would really appreciate that, because that just goes to show that, like, you're paying attention to my content. So that means a lot to me. Also, I'll talk a little fast. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm gonna try to slow it down a little bit. But I don't know, people talk too slow, like, because it's like, okay, get to the point. So I'm gonna try not to talk too fast, but I'm also not gonna talk super slow. I'm just gonna talk like how I talk, because I don't know, I just can't. It's so hard for me to be like, hey guys, so today, or be like, hey guys, blah, 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 blah. Like, fuck, like, okay, I'm not making sense for real. But what I'm gonna do now is head back to the house. This nail is like really bothering me, y'all. I've been trying to take it off, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm so excited to be doing my hair today though, because I've been wanting to do my hair. Like, I've been wanting to do my hair, get my hair done, because Lord knows, like, I hate when my hair like starts to like frizz up, especially when it comes to braids, because it's just like, it's not cute. Okay, I finally got it off, y'all. It's not cute. Like, if you know, you know, like, once braids start to get older and stuff like that, like, I hate it. So it just wasn't it. So I'm gonna wait for T to come back from her doctor's appointment, so when she comes back, we'll head to the gym. So I'm assuming that we're probably gonna start our hair a little late, which is fine by me. Whatever, it doesn't matter. I did want to start my hair early, because I like to finish early. Like, I like to get things done. That's just the kind of person that I am. I like to get things done. So, but it's no biggie, y'all. Let me get to drive into her house. I'll, of course, keep you guys posted. And like I said, I will do more chit chats in my vlogs. It's not going to be too excessive. Like I said, I don't want to overdo it, but I also want to put, you know, montage and just do aesthetic stuff that I like to do when it comes to like editing and stuff like that. But I also, like I said, want to incorporate more and more chats in my vlogs, just for you guys to get to know me more, just for us to kind of like have a connection. And I don't want to just, like I said, just have montage. I just feel like at this point it's kind of, I don't want to say boring, but it's not, you know? Okay, I feel like my camera's getting a little hot. Yeah, it is. It just gave me that like temperature signal. I mean, it's getting hot, guys. You know, y'all know I got no camera, so I gotta adjust to certain things. I look bald head. It's okay. But all head hope till. But yeah, let me get on my way for real. I did. It was like, come look at all the meat. Oh yeah. Like, come look at it. Like, I go back, girl. They're like, for the one time. What's this for? I'm like, oh, that's loud. What? This? I ain't know what loud. It's a tripod. I'm saying, why are you recording for? Oh, for my prep
Like,
with
you
you?
showing love on the food.
For what?
I ain't gonna lie to you.
For New York?
And if you pay for like so much in a day, he'll give you like
Gracias.
2-3 orders or something.
Let's do some here so I can get in the vlog.
Follow him.
Come
I just don't be want to go over there because it's by my niece's house. And I don't even want to run into her.
on! We're doing my locks.
Oh,
that's that place?
Yes.
10:30. I went there.
Right now, too. I have to fuck her up on the house for real. All the stress I got built up in me.
2,000 years later.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Thank you guys so much for watching this prep with me. Make sure you guys check out all my other videos and stay tuned for all the other ones that I have coming. I mean, this New York City series is about to be bomb, so make sure you stay tuned. Love y'all. I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye y'all. Peace.